Good morning from Mount Olympus and Agia Kori, St. Kori waterfalls. Olympus is such a rich in variety and nature mountain. You have to come here, it's a wonderful place, and one of the places not to be missed are the waterfalls of Agia Kori, as you can see here. You can swim. I have just put my feet. It's of course quite cold. It depends on your strength. It's a wonderful area with marked paths. Very close from Thessaloniki and Chalkidiki. You have to come here. And let's see the waterfall here. Actually, one of the waterfalls. There are many waterfalls. Let's see if this guy, if he will go inside the water. Yeah, and yes, he have made it. Wow, bravo.